Samsung is reportedly gearing up to make some exciting updates to its foldables in 2025. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 didn't bring many changes compared to its predecessor, despite the higher price tag, and the overall experience felt pretty much the same. But according to Ross-Young, a display expert at DSCC, Samsung is planning to switch things up next year. The big news is that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could see some major display upgrades. The internal screen would get bigger, jumping from 6.7 inches to 6.85 inches, while the outer screen would also expand to around 4 inches. This would make the Z Flip 7's outer display more like the one on the Motorola Razr Plus, offering a more spacious experience. And the best part, these upgrades should also make room for a larger battery, giving the Z Flip 7 better battery life. The 4-inch cover screen would offer a more familiar full-screen experience, making the phone feel less cramped when you're using it in its folded form. The bigger cover screen would also give users more room to interact with apps without needing to open the phone. That said, it's still unclear whether Samsung will allow full app use on the cover screen, or if they'll limit it to widgets for a more streamlined experience. Either way, it sounds like a nice step forward for the foldable line. Meanwhile, a well-known source of Samsung leaks, Jukanlosriv on X, has just shared more details about the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip FE and the premium Galaxy Z Flip 7. According to Jukanlosriv, the Galaxy Z Flip FE will come with the Exynos 2400E chip, the same processor powering the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. On the other hand, the more premium Galaxy Z Flip 7 is rumored to be packed with the upcoming Exynos 2500 chip, a chip that Samsung has confirmed exists, though not much is known about it yet. Some leaks have suggested that the Z Flip 7 could use the Exynos 2400 chip instead, but Jukanlosriv says that's not the case. Now you might be wondering why Samsung would use the Exynos 2400E in its budget foldable. The answer is simple. This chip is still powerful enough for daily tasks, and we've seen it work really well in the Galaxy S24 FE. In fact, it performs just as smoothly as the standard Exynos 2400, and it could be a smart choice for the Z Flip FE if Samsung wants to keep costs down without compromising performance. As for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, the news of the Exynos 2500 chip isn't all that surprising either. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S25 lineup will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which could mean Samsung is reserving its next-gen Exynos 2500 for its foldable devices. This also makes sense if the Exynos 2500 is facing some yield issues, as some reports have suggested. Of course, it's still early days for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and it's hard to say with certainty what direction Samsung will take. We should have more concrete information about Samsung's plans when the Galaxy S25 is unveiled in just a couple of months. So, what do you think? Would you go for the Exynos 2400E variant in the Z Flip Fan Edition, or are you more excited about the potential Exynos 2500 in the Z Flip 7? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.